Welcome back to Primetime News, and a special welcome if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. Staff cuts at the People's National Party, PNP headquarters, the latest fallout from the bruising defeat the party suffered at the September 3 polls. 1 week after the defeat, the PNP has made a number of staff positions at its Old Hope Road Secretariat redundant. Now, Kirk Wright has the details.
PNP General Secretary Julian Robinson indicated in letters to the affected workers that the party's revenues are projected to fall significantly following the election loss. Mr. Robinson said the party has to realign its expenses to match the reduced income. TVJ News understands that 20 persons are employed to the PNP Secretariat. However, it's not known how many positions are being made redundant. It's believed the positions cover administration, communication, and organizing. The PNP last week suffered a massive defeat in the general election. It was left with 15 seats to the Jamaica Labour Party 48. The defeat has left the PNP in rebuilding mode, with its president, Dr. Peter Phillips, already announcing his intention to resign as soon as a new president is elected. The party is to establish a committee to review the election loss. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.